kabisa. Merry Christmas. Mwezi wa kabisa.
Merry Christmas. Karanga joto.
Karanga joto.
Ungebariki.
Yes, sir. We can say this. Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Acha. Yes.
Kazi inaendelea.
Kuja.
Okay.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Tuweke makofi hapo. Asante.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Asante sana.
Alafu
imepangiwa sasa, ina resist.
tuangalie juu. Tuangalie juu.
Ikiona hivi
Mafuta inajua.
inajua.
Sawa sawa.
Okay, very good. Asante sana. Very good.
Yeke tu yenye ilikuwa.
Kuja wale ambao
Wala hajapokea chakula.
kuja tu hivyo.
Kuja tu. Ni symbolic.
Sahani yako ni kidogo. Haya, ugali kwa hapa sasa. Iko ugali,
Iko kwa ugali.
Haya, mwingine akuje.
Mwingine ka ugali.
Ugali.
Mwingine nataka ugali.
Ndio ugali. Sawa.
Sawa, thank you sir.
Kota. Leo kwa Citizen live.
For a long time, there have been issues that we have been meaning to do, to improve on your conditions of service, and also to improve on your equipping you and kitting you to be able to do your job. As we close the year, I am happy to announce that we are almost there. And maybe by the time I make another trip here, you will have seen a lot of changes. I was just telling you seniors here that one of the things that this administration sought to do from the very beginning was to make sure that we modernize the equipment of our officers, because we realized for some time there has not been good investment in upgrading and modernizing our equipment. The government did approve a 5-year program of modernization of equipment, which is going to spend 37 billion shillings. Initially it was 20 billion, but the government decided to increase that amount, and therefore we'll be spending an average of 7 billion shillings every year to modernize your equipment. The first purchases have been done. They have already been loaded. I have been monitoring the progress of the arrival, and I am happy to report that between 7 and 10 days from today, the first equipment involving APCs, MRAPs, personal protection items, drones or unmanned aerial vehicles, which are armored, and aircraft. The first installment is on the way, and we'll be receiving it at the Port of Mombasa in the next 1 week or at most 10 days. I'm a very proud minister today because I know it has taken a lot of time, and I want to really thank the government, because this administration took over at a time when the country was not doing very well economically, and therefore to be able to secure that amount of money was not easy. But it tells you the priority where President William Ruto has put security. He has put it as a major priority, because the things that we want to achieve as a country economically cannot be achieved until the country is secure and free from crime. And therefore, going into the new year, you're going to receive new equipment, and I've already directed those who are responsible to make sure that this area of Ngaratuko, Baringo North, and TRT area, because of the unique challenges, the first equipment that lands in the port, I think the first priority should be given to this area. And therefore, you're going to receive mobility equipment, armored personnel carrier, you get some, and also MRAPs, and a bit of aerial equipment, at least drones, because the aircraft are going to take a bit of time, because when you order aircrafts, there's what they call lead time. It's going to take maybe late next year for us to be able to get the gunship helicopters that are part and parcel of this equipment program. Mimi nimefurahi, nilikuwa nimeahidi ya kwamba siku ya sikukuu, wakati wa sikukuu ya Krismasi, nitatafuta nafasi ni kuja hapa tukue na chakula pamoja na nyinyi, ili kushukuru Mungu na kusherehekea pamoja. Mungu ametulinda mwaka mzima,